if to get along and to go forward, I'm going to be forced to lie, to start creating things here. Look, I want to be very honest with you. I would rather not get that job. I'm not interested in lying to people, cutting corners and abusing people's trust, as it were. And I told the clergy who are listening to me that time, those are the videos you have been seeing doing rounds around. Told them you are being cheated. This is a lie. And after the COVID pandemic, now we have a pandemic of lies because of the elections. An outbreak of lies. You know, people are just moving around the country lying, they do things they think you need to hear. Now we are about to start that pandemic of lies is on 2. In Kenya, you see people flying around the country about empowerment, you know, planes flying here, flying there. Every Friday they are busy. 8 choppers there, 9 choppers there, flying around. My brothers and sisters, don't you ever be bamboozled and lied to by those types of things you are seeing. Our country has got serious challenges. And those challenges, a good number of those challenges are man-made because of bad management and bad decisions we have made in the leadership of the country. And now, drama is being occasioned in the country to hoodwink people, you know. Because I honestly believe that if you do your work, you don't need drama. Because the results of your work will be seen. For me, if I go home tonight and sleep, when I hear Asha saying what she said about the exam in 2017, that's enough for me. That's my problem. When I sat in the exam, that the program was managed responsibly, the right thing was done.